All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the ongoing judicial terrorism being inflicted upon the Kashmiri detainees held in the jails of occupied Kashmir and across India. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas urged the United Nations, human rights organizations, and the International Court of Justice to take immediate notice of the systematic abuse of the Kashmiri political detainees. Counter-intelligence Kashmir wing of the Indian Police has carried out a series of the raids across multiple locations in the Islamabad and the Kulgam districts. The CIK teams targeted district jail Mutton in Islamabad as well as the areas of the Sonigam and Chavalgam in the Kulgam. The raids were still going on at the time of the reporting. Two persons lost their lives in a road accident in the Kulgam district. The accident occurred when an apple-laden container truck traveling to New Delhi overturned near Pombai village of the district today. Supreme Court of India has restrained the trial courts across the country from registering the fresh suits, ordering surveys, or passing any effective or the final orders with regard to the religious character of the existing religious structures in already pending suits. The three-judge special bench passed the order during hearings on a batch of the petitions challenging and supporting the constitutional validity of the Places of the Worship Act. Senior National Conference leader and member of the Indian Parliament, Agha Syed Ruhollah Mehdi, visited Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh to meet the families of those killed in a police firing. The 5 Muslim youths, including a minor, were shot dead by the police during a protest against a court-ordered survey of the Shahi Jamia Masjid on November 24th. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav has said that the Hindutva groups and the certain elements want to create unrest across the India to claiming to find the temples beneath the mosques and the dargahs. Akhilesh Yadav, during his speech in the Lok Sabha, stated that the minorities, especially the Muslims, have been relegated to the second-class citizens.